these two subsections. Then we will head to the third subsection. All right. Section number 185, subsection 1 talks about company cannot provide loan, guarantee, and security to any director of the company, to director of the holding company, to relatives or partners of the above mentioned directors, but that is such directors, to firms in which such directors or relatives of such directors are partners. तो एज पर सेक्शन नंबर 185 सेक्शन 1 किसी भी डायरेक्टर को या होल्डिंग कंपनी के डायरेक्टर को या उनके रिलेटिव्स को या फिर किसी फर्म को जिसमें वो डायरेक्टर्स या रिलेटिव्स पार्टनर्स हो उसको लोन नहीं दे सकते. बट 185 सबसेक्शन 2 में कहा दैट इफ स्पेशल रेजोल्यूशन इज पास्ड प्लस द पर्पस फॉर द लोन इज फॉर द बिजनेस प्रिंसिपल बिजनेस पर्पस, then to certain parties which are, first, if this is it is a private company and this private company में such directors are directors or members. If there is a private company who wants the loan and in that private company the directors or members are the only ones who are the directors of the particular company, the lending company. So lending company के directors और private company के directors अगर same है, then the company can lend the money to that private company if and only if the special resolution is passed to that effect. Special resolution का मतलब क्या होता है? 75% of the members agree to that effect. If they agree, then if members are agreeing about the same, then there is no restriction for the same. All right, and the purpose should be for the business purpose. All right, principal business purpose. And second is about body corporate. Body corporate में क्या बोल रखा है that 25% of the voting power of that body corporate is with the such directors. Is with such directors can be सारे directors हो सकते हैं इकट्ठे या फिर individual directors भी हो सकते हैं. So 25% of the voting power of that body corporate should be with such directors. All right. And again, special resolution needs to be passed with that effect, and the purpose should be for the principal business. All right. And third, again, the body corporate in which the board of directors or the managing partner or the managing director or the other directors are accustomed to act in accordance with the simply this lending company. All right. Then again, special resolution, and these two are the basically you can say that these two are prerequisites and these are the parties to whom loan can be given. All right. So this is the summary of section number 185 subsection 1 and section number 185 subsection 2. Subsection 3 first. All right. It simply says that company can provide loan to certain parties without any restrictions given under 185 subsection 1 and 185 subsection 2. First party कौन सी थी? To whole time director और to managing director, जिसको हम employees भी बोल सकते हैं. If first point, A point और B point इसमें है. If A, it is given to all the employees. The conditions on which the loan is given is approved by the employment contract and the conditions are similar to all the other employees. All right, and second point can be about the conditions. Second point, if the scheme is approved by passing of special resolution. ये इन दोनों के लिए था, parties whole time director और managing director. second party is wholly owned subsidiary के केस में can easily provide. third party is about only subsidiary, यहाँ पे सिर्फ guarantees और security की बात कर रखी है. They can easily provide loans or guarantees to subsidiary, and the same should be provided by the financial institution or bank. And last point is about ordinary course of business. If the lending company's business is to provide loans, then they can simply provide loans without seeing section number 185 subsection 1 and 185 subsection 2, but the interest should be same as of government bonds. जिनका tenure 1 year, 3 year, 5 year और 10 year हो सकता है. All right. Now let's head to the last subsection, which is 185 subsection 4, which talks about penalties. तीन तरीके की पेनल्टी बोल रखी है इसमें. If the loan is advanced or guarantee or security is given or provided or utilized in contravention of the provisions of this section मतलब 185 section. All right. The company को खर्चा होएगा, penalty लगेगी, which shall not be less than 5 lakh rupees, but which may be extended to 25 lakh rupees. Not less than मतलब 5 lakh तो लगेगा ही लगेगा, but which may extend to 25 lakhs. Every officer of the company, officer में managing director आ सकते हैं, whole time director आ सकते हैं, and everyone in between आ सकते हैं, CEO आ सकते हैं, CFO आ सकते हैं. Every officer of the company who is in default shall be punishable with imprisonment. Imprisonment भी है for a term which may extend to 6 months, or which with fine which may not be less than 5 lakh, but which may extend to 25 lakh. All right. So fine same है, but साथ में imprisonment की बात भी कर रखी है, which may extend to 6 months. And directors or other persons to whom any loan, to whom जिसको लोन दिया गया है, any loan is advanced or guarantee or security is provided in connection with any loan taken by him or other person shall be punishable with imprisonment which may extend to 6 months, or with fine which shall not be, same penalties है, but the party who have taken the loan shall be punishable for this matter. All right. तो यहाँ पे हमारा सेक्शन खत्म होता है. I hope समझ आया होगा सेक्शन. अब इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करते हैं, which we will study from the ICI study material. All right. Thank you.